Hey guys, welcome back to Mason's Motor Show, episode 8 today. We're taking a look at this beautiful 2020 Hyundai Sante Fe SE 2.4. Under the hood, we have a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, making 185 horsepower. This vehicle does 21 miles to the gallon city, 27 on the highway, and has just under 52,000 miles. This car has a beautiful Calypso red paint. We have 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a rear parking camera, and with a push and a pull, you got access to your gas. Let's take a look inside. You got a massive space back here in the trunk. Definitely enough for a 6-foot-plus tall guy to live a really comfortable life. And to keep that 6-foot-plus tall guy entertained, you got a 12-volt. And in case your 6-foot-plus tall guy ever stubs his toe or anything, you got a first aid kit. While we're back here, we do have two 12-volt outlets. With a pull of this lever, you double your trunk space. And you got your first aid kit. Inside the cabin, we have headlight illumination options, lane departure assist, rear locking differential, and traction control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have push to talk, media controls, as well as voice activated commands. On the right side, you have your menu options as well as cruise control settings. You have your central infotainment screen here with radio and media controls on the left. On the right, you have your phone, home button, as well as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And we have a first aid kit. You have all your climate control options right here. This vehicle is equipped with all-wheel drive as well as an 8-speed Shift-tronic transmission with optional manual mode for spirited driving. You have your auto start stop here, brake hold, hill start assist, as well as your electronic parking brake. Below you have a 12-volt, 1 and 2 USB Type A chargers, as well as an aux port. We've got this compartment here, and these ones, and this, that, this, and this, and that. Oh, we got a first aid kit. We got a sliding mirror, this stuff up here, and a first aid kit. And we got this nice spacious glove box. And a first aid kit. So come on out to Tri-State Nissan here in Winchester, Virginia, and get yourself this beautiful Sante Fe. As long as you stay off the naughty driver's list. Man, if I see that first aid kit one more time,